Have you wondered why birds don't get electric shocked on wires? It's so casual to see birds preaching on electric wires all the time as if they are just relaxing there. It's so casual to see birds moving on the wire so easily. And we wondered, don't they get electric shocked when they are moving on the wire or either sitting on the wire? So let us understand the reason. So when a bird is sitting on a wire, it perches with both feet on the same wire, which means its body is at the same voltage as the wire. So this is a reason bird don't get electric shock when they are on wires, and they can easily move and sit on the wires.